Yeah, it's $125. Check it out, guys. We got a 125 ball, 5 sending on 250. Here we go. Let's see what kind of bonus we can get. Can we get a major? Oh, you gotta save the day here. There we go. $10. Nice. Yeah, $12.50. Give us another big ball. $10. Okay. Come on. Save the day. Yes. Good, good. Come on, major. Minor, minor, minor. All right. Got a big win. I bet on 250. Yeah, over 187, almost 20. Oh yeah. $257. Nice.
In order to be eligible.
Not bad on 250 bet. That's 100 times win, guys. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, welcome to Slot Tour Adventures. Here we go. We got a $3 bet. 2 Sandino. Let's see if we can catch anything. That's $6. Come on, get us a minor or major, please. Save the day. Come on. Yes, another mini. Sweet. $20 mini. Come on. There's plenty of places to fill up. Plenty of places. Come on. Oh, jeez. Hey, not a bad win. $85 on $3 bet, guys. Hey, guys, welcome to Slot Tour Adventures. Here we go. $3 bet, 2 Sandino. We got a mini, a $15 ball. Come on, baby. Oh, no. Come on, get it. Save the day. Yes, thank you. Give us a major, going for $613, guys. I'll give us a minor for $100. Okay, come on. Keep it going. All right. $50 ball, guys. That is nice. Yeah, come on, get it. Save the day. Okay. It's a nice win. $20 mini, and that is $143 bonus on $1 on $3 bet. Guys, we got a $3 bet bonus on 2 Sandino. Here we go. Come on, give us a major. You gotta do it. Give us a minor for $100. Come on now. Nice, $9 right there. Got plenty of spaces to fill up. Mini for $20, baby. Come on, you can do it. Last spin, come on. Yes, another mini, guys. All right, it's a mini party. Come on. Save the day. Ah, all right.
Congratulations to our current winners for $107,000 and $3,900. Remember,
Another $103, guys. The ticket is up over $500. Hey guys, check it out. Here we go. 10 Sandino. We got a $5 bet bonus. We got the mini for 100. Come on, baby. Now give me that major. Come on. You can do it. Oh, you gotta save the day. There's plenty of spaces to fill up. Yeah, there we go. Come on, give me another mini. $100, baby. Another $100. Sweet. Come on. Liking this 10 Sandino. Here we go. Oh, let's get that grand. Come on, we're due. Save it. Come on, baby. You can do it. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Ah, all right. It's a big win, guys.
Congratulations to our winners. Now,
What a run on best bet. It's $408 now. Started with $60, guys. Here's another $280 bonus. Thanks for watching. Taking us up to $688. Nice.